Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make rice water. That's just on period. For any of you guys who are new, welcome in. Anybody returning, welcome back. That's just on period. I feel your eyes, their love me, don't be shy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make rice water. This is the quickest way for me to make this rice water, which is to boil it. You can also soak it for like 24 hours if you want, but I need to use it, so this is the way I like to do it. First thing I like to do is rinse the rice off, take off some of that starch. As you guys can see, all that white cloudy, yeah, that's starch. So we're gonna just take that off the rice because we don't need starch in our hair. When it comes to a type of rice do you use, you can use any type of rice. In my opinion, brown or white, it doesn't really matter, but I use what I have, you feel me? So it's kind of just like you can work with what you have to start, period. We're gonna turn that fire on, and then we're gonna put the rice inside the pan. It doesn't really matter how much water you put into the pan either, but I'm going to put 3 cups of water in there because I need a lot of it, because as it boils, the water does go down and the water does turn into a very creamy color. But some history on rice water. Rice water actually originated deep within Guangxi, which is a region in China, and is basically created either by boiling or soaking the water. Chinese women introduced the water in which it is soaked and applied in like their beauty routines. It's used and is being used for like over 1,000 years now. Rice water contains natural antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin A, and a lot of other things that help, like when it comes to like radical damage from age, sun exposure, or just the environment in general. According to Google, it says drinking a glass of rice water every morning can give your body like ample energy to stay active throughout the day, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna be doing that because it's like, I don't know, but it's just like, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But if any of you guys tried that in the comments and drinking rice water and like seeing if the benefits did help you, or if you did do it, drop it in the comments. Let me know how that worked out for you, you feel me? But that also could make sense because it also contains vitamin A and vitamin C. One thing I did notice when I first did use rice water in my hair was the way the texture, my curls were more defined, my hair was more soft. It was just really nice, and I feel like it definitely did promote like progress in hair growth, and I also use it as a skincare too. So when it comes to soaking, you want to do the exact thing. You want to wash your rice, because Bookie, looking at it, you see already, it's still, yeah, it be coming out like literally. You can get a container or anything you want to put it in, a jar, put water into it, put the lid over it, and cover it over. I normally don't like to do it this way because when I wait 24 hours, it kind of smells, it smells rotten. All right, if you don't really have an issue with the way it smells, I guess you could use it, but to stop it from smelling like shake that ass, all you really have to do is just put like some essential oil in there, and you should be all set and all good. But when it's done going through this whole entire stage, you can put it in the refrigerator to stop it from fermenting, which causes it to smell.